Did you ever build a treehouse? It's harder than it appears in the movies. Instead of starting from scratch, cutting wood, and measuring by heart, it will be easier to have a pre-made kit to assemble the pieces and follow instructions, right? Well, that's how Python frameworks also help you, providing you with powerful tools and pieces of code to build your software more quickly and efficiently. Hello everyone, let's dive into the top Python web frameworks battle, Flask versus Django. First up, let's talk about Flask. Flask is a lightweight micro-web framework for Python. Think of it as the bare essentials for web development. It's simple and it's very flexible. Flask is great when you need to build small to medium-sized web applications or APIs. Its minimalistic approach means it doesn't come with everything built in, which can be an advantage if you want to have more control over your project components. Flask key features include routing, template rendering, and extensions for various functionalities like database integration, authentication, and more. It's an excellent choice for prototyping, microservices, or if you prefer a DAI approach for web development. On the other hand of the Flask versus Django, the second one is a high-level, full-stack web framework for Python. It follows the batteries include philosophy, meaning it comes with a wide range of built-in features and tools. Django shines when you're working on large-scale, complex web applications such as social network, e-commerce sites, or content management systems. Its building components like the ORM, admin panel, and authentication system save you a lot of development time. Some of the Django standard features include its robust security, comprehensive documentation, and a very active community. It encourages best practices like the Django REST framework for building APIs and follows the don't repeat yourself principle. If the Django versus Flask comparison is still a bit complicated, don't worry. Picture it like this. Django is like buying a pre-built mansion. It's big and it's luxurious and you have everything you need, but it may come with rooms you'll never use and can generate extra costs for you. In web development, those costs will be server capacity, memory, resources, and new feature creation. Flask is like designing and building a custom house. You choose the layout and you choose the features to perfectly fit your needs and budget. So, which one should you choose? It depends on your project needs. If you're working on a large-scale project with lots of built-in features and you appreciate the opinionated nature of a framework that enforces best practices, Django might be your better choice. But if you want a quick, lightweight solution for a small to medium-sized project and value simplicity and flexibility, Flask may be your go-to. And here's a pro tip. If you're working on microservices or serverless functions like AWS Lambda, Flask is an excellent choice. It's small, easy to implement, light to execute, and allows you to install only the packages you need. This makes it perfect for scenarios where you need your application to be as fast as possible and resource efficient. And there you have it, a quick overview of Flask versus Django, two fantastic Python web frameworks. Which one are you going for, the mansion or the custom house? If you like a more personalized assessment on the right frameworks and tools for your project, reach out to our team at Clickit. We're happy to help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Happy coding!